I don't know what to eat. So I'm gonna go pick some cucumbers.
What's this?
This is our cucumber tree, and today we will be doing a tour around the garden. So let's begin. So as I told you, this first one is a cucumber plant, and we've got another one on these sides too. We've got some tomatoes over there and a few over here. And if we move down, we've got some courgettes.
Okay.
Yeah, and we've got some just nice plants over here. We've got some more cucumbers. And like right here, this one isn't big enough to be cut off yet or just ripped off yet. So I'm going to leave that one. This used to be a cherry tree. Well, it still is a cherry tree, but it seems like all the crows and birds have come and eaten them. This, over down here, is a gigantic Khodu that's more than half my size, and maybe double, and I'm not sure if I would actually be able to carry it. And maybe soon we could pick it, because this one started off as quite little, then it got really big. So yeah, today we've cut the gigantic Khodu that we've been waiting to cut for a long time. It's also very heavy, and my cousin Eunice had conveniently cut it off, and there are some more going. So I think that one over there might be the new one that might get a bit big, because this one started off as quite little, then it got really big. So yeah, and we're going to be eating this. I'm not too sure how. It looks quite big, in fact. So maybe we'll manage, because probably would. Lots of people are here today, and that's because today we will be cutting gigantic Khodu, which we have been waiting to cut for about a few weeks. And yeah, we've cut it. My cousin Eunice had cut it, or I didn't. So yeah, it's also very heavy. I think I might just use this for weights, because I have been wanting weights.